All right, Dathri. Are you nervous? Yes? Okay. Take a deep breath. Come on up here. What do you do when the emotion of nervousness surfaces? What do you do?
You, whenever the thoughts come to your mind, you just say next, and then you keep going.
What does that do? When you do not listen to the discouraging stories of your mind, what does that do? Speak into the mind.
That gets rid of your nervousness and anxiety.
And makes you believe that it is always the mind that has been holding you back from realizing your true potential. And being trained on not listening to the mind's discouraging stories is where the potential gets the opportunity to manifest. So in spite of your fear, believe here, not here. Alright? So go for it, Dathri. How many are you going to do for us?
35.
About 35? Okay, is that fair? Alright, go for it, Dathri.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine,
So you said 35, all 35. You want to keep going? For as long as you want? Okay.
bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, niobium,
Before niobium and after yttrium. What's diamond number 40?
rock,
Diamond number 40. 40. You eat that every day?
rice,
Yes. So 40, what chemical element is on 40?
zirconium,
Yes.
zirconium,
You
molybdenum,
said niobium.
niobium, molybdenum, technetium, rudium, rhodium, cadmium,
After rhodium,
silver,
before silver. That's fine. The rash is shape of,
A rock.
the rash is the shape of, the rash on the hand is the shape of Alice. That's fine. Palladium. Yeah, keep going. And then
Palladium, cad, it's cadmium,
before that,
uh,
you said it.
is it molybdenum?
So you said that long ago.
Uh,
After palladium, you said something which was correct. You make ornaments out of it.
silver, cadmium, indium, and tin.
What grade are you in? Speak into the mic.
I'm going to 6th grade.
She's going into 6th grade. All right. You noticed she couldn't even pronounce some of those, right? Molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, because she has never been exposed to these, the names also, which means it didn't even exist in her memory bank. And she has had less than 3-4 hours of training. Another thing I want you to remember, she had a choice to go back and sit after 35. What did she do? She kept going. That is confidence personified. That is courage personified. And that is what it is all about. The sense of confidence, the sense of courage, the sense of conviction, the sense of clarity, the sense of control over your mind, the sense of compassion that all of you showed by giving us the time and space to get it out. And that is what makes the child experience the sense of completion. The completion of support from home, from teachers, from community leaders, from parents. And those are the things that we want our children to get as outcome of education system. 6th grader, not even, you are going to start 6th, right? So 5th grader, showing us the skill that is expected of high school children 5 years ahead of time. One more round of applause.